Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute DIY money cake. A money cake is a great way to give someone money in a creative way. So if you want to see how I create this money cake, please continue to watch. The supplies you'll need are 3 floral foam circles, a pack of clear rubber bands, a wooden stick, scissors, a hot glue gun, tape, ribbon, a cake topper, crystal stones, and most importantly, money. The first thing that I did was roll up the dollar bills and place a clear plastic band around them. The tighter you roll, the more dollar bills that you'll need. So be mindful that when you're rolling your dollar bills. Also, from the bank, I got $150, and please ask for clean new dollar bills because it'll create a more polished look. Next, I'm just taking the foam floral circles out of its wrappers. I purchased 3 different sizes because the cake is layered, so you need 3 different sizes to get that layered effect. You can purchase the foam floral circles from the floral section of your local Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Next, I taped masking tape around the foam to hold the dollar bills, but also I use extra tape to tape the dollars to the masking tape for extra hold. Next, you're going to size the ribbon around the cake. The ribbon is going to be the decorative part of the cake and also will hold the dollar bills together more tighter than what they're held as of now. For the middle layer, I decided that I wanted some type of bling, so I decided to hot glue some bling ribbon onto the Tiffany blue ribbon. Next, I'm going to hot glue the ribbon around the money. Make sure that you get the ribbon as tight as possible. After I glued the ribbon around each layer of the cake, I took a chopstick. Yes, a chopstick, because I did not have a wooden stick to secure each layer together. Now it is time to decorate the top of the cake. I purchased a 1 1/8 from Hobby Lobby because the person that I was creating the cake for was turning 18. So to hide the chopstick, I just placed it behind the 8. It was the easiest way for me to hide it and kind of keep it still in the middle of the cake. Next, I just placed these crystal stones I purchased from Hobby Lobby from the floral section at the top of the cake. It was the easiest way for me to hide the foam. So I made this quick DIY cake stand out of a plate and a candle holder from the dollar store just to hold the cake. The last thing that you'll need to do is to place the cake on the cake stand and you are done. So this is a creative way to give someone money for their birthday or for graduation. I hope you enjoyed this DIY and I'll see you in my next upload. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.